like Bongo the Monkey. Oh yeah, you do all the rappers. Woo, yeah, woo! Yeah, Bob, how about we can make a story about Bongo the Monkey YouTube career? Bongo the Monkey's YouTube career? Okay, amazing. Alright, so go to chapter 4, and then let's get started. Yeah, let's tell the story. Okay guys, today we're going to be telling you the story of Bongo the Monkey. So he hit 2019 subscribers. Obviously the future is going up, so he had 2021. So yeah, 2021 subscribers, and his views are 29k views. So let's get started the story about Bongo the Monkey. The beginning of Bongo the Monkey's YouTube career was created on July 13th, 2017. Okay, no tutus for me too is messaging to me, okay? So I'll get back to you guys. Okay, I'm reminding no tutus for me too by making a YouTube video about Bongo's story, about his YouTube career. Alright, so, anyways, let's get back to the video. I hope he replies back to me. No tutus for me too, if you're watching this, I'm gonna make a right story about Bongo, so I'll get back to you after I finish the video. So, anyways, let's get started. Like I was saying, Bongo joined YouTube on July 13th, 2017. That was about, like, almost 2 years ago. If it's July 13th, 2019, that would be 2 years of his YouTube life, and then he'll make Skydiving 2. Or, not Skydiving 2. He already made that. I mean, Skydiving 3. So he's gonna make Skydiving 3 if it's July 13th, 2019. So, let's get on to his video. His very first video on July 13th, 2017 was the very first ever skydiving video. It's old and cringy on parentheses. About that, Bongo makes some old and cringy plush videos. If I see on the playlist, he writes parentheses old and cringy. Bongo, if you're watching this, you are so amazing. Congratulations for 2K. So if you guys didn't subscribe to Bongo the Monkey, if you already did, go subscribe to Bongo the Monkey. He's an awesome monkey. Now his skydiving video hit 146 video views and 12 likes. This is how Bongo the Monkey got more popular. So yeah. So let me tell you what is going on with Bongo the Monkey. Now, Bongo the Monkey is warning us to don't subscribe to this imposter because he had an imposter that is copying off Bongo the Monkey. See the description? Some kind of guy just copied off Bongo the Monkey, which is another Bongo the Monkey. So there are some imposters that copied off a front Bongo the Monkey. So recently, do not subscribe to this Bongo the Monkey because he's copying off the real one. This fake one. So this is like the imposter, that's the fake one. If you literally see, he makes some great videos. Bongo the Monkey makes some awesome and most popular videos that he made the whole time. And his channel got bigger too. He hit his first 100 subscribers about like a year ago or so. And then, April 2018, Bongo the Monkey hit his very first 100 subscribers. So Bongo got a lot popular. 1,000 subscribers, this is gaining amazing for him because he is so popular that he can create more videos than that. 1 year later, Bongo the Monkey hit 2,021 subscribers. So if you can see Bongo the Monkey, he 2,021 subscribers. It's like the future year of 2021. I thought I said 2019, but 2021. But I like how his banner looks. Like, there's his shadow over there. It looks kind of perfect. Like, it looks so perfect that he created his own banner. That's his brand new one. Now, Bongo the Monkey made a BTM team, which is the team of BTM, that he's gonna keep creating videos with his friend, unknown user, or as known as no tattoos for me too. If it says unknown user, no tattoos for me too have gotten terminated. The reason why he got terminated, because he got terminated by somebody. But basically, No Touches for Me Too gets to have a brand new channel that I'm about to show you right now. Here's one of No Touches for Me Too's comments right here. Let's press it. He made his channel an unknown successful No Touches for Me Too, but No Touches for Me Too, he's still great. He had 1,000 subscribers and he got terminated, so that means he lost his 1,000 subscribers. But can No Touches for Me Too can get 1,000 subscribers back? Probably the answer is yes, because he's gotta resubscribe to No Touches for Me Too, or as known as Tatter Walnut 345. So this is No Touches for Me Too's replacement or backup channel. No Touches for Me Too, if you're watching this, are you gonna make some content soon? I don't know. Probably. Okay, we're getting back to Bongo the Monkey. So 1 year later, Bongo Monkey hit 2,021 subscribers, and he's getting so popular. So we're about to go to the social blade and see how Bongo the Monkey is doing with his status of his economic status about his channel and how he's doing. And let's check on the custom. So the thumbnail contest began about a few months ago, and Bongo chose this thumbnail called the Zombie Attack. So he created the Zombie Attack and chose Monster Plush's thumbnail, which is the Zombie Attack. It looks good. I like how Congo looks like this. He looks like Congo's a zombie. Do you like that, guys? You should literally subscribe to him. But let's see. Oh yeah, that's a live stream. It was deleted. I don't know why. It's like a thumbnail, I think. It got deleted after the thumbnail contest is over. Oh, that's a terminated channel as well. I don't know how it got terminated, but I don't know. It's an unknown channel. I don't know about this, but I think it got terminated. Probably. Yeah. Alright, so let's check the cloud. The cloud means that he had 500 uploads or more. He makes a lot of uploads. If he gets the cloud, that means you have 500 uploads on your channel. Or even 1,000 or 10,000. Oh. I think No Touches for Me Too is calling me. No Touches for Me Too, I'll talk to you later. I'll call you later after I finish the video, okay? Why is it still 1920? It's supposed to be 2021. So anyways, he got a C grade, and probably he makes a lot of earnings of his money. That's good. So let's check his future projections. The question is, can Bongo get 1,000 subscribers every single year to get bigger? The answer is no. The reason why no is Bongo the Monkey will hit thousands of subscribers a few months, and then 1 year later he will hit 10,000 subscribers. The truth is that 5 years later he will hit 100,000 subscribers 5 years later. He's not gonna hit 1,000 subscribers every year, but he's gonna hit 100,000 subscribers in about 5 years later, until the year 2024, the 22nd of April, 2024, 5 years later. That means Bongo will be getting the silver play button soon. But the truth is, he'll hit 100,000 subscribers on February 22nd, 2024. This is during, George Washington's birthday, February 22nd. So, yeah. Bongo the Monkey will be growing up for his subscriber counts. His economically, it will be going high. So, sooner Bongo the Monkey will be hitting 1 million subscribers a few years later after he hit 100,000. So Bongo the Monkey, if you're watching this, you're so amazing. Go subscribe to Bongo the Monkey, guys, if you're watching this. And guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, make sure you subscribe to him. Peace!